Hello, in front of me I've got GameSir Super Nova. In this video I'll show you how to switch controller layout. In the beginning, on your controller, press and hold M button and press South Face button. Now, remove the top plate and adjust layout of the controller between AB XY and BAYX. Don't forget to put on plate back and it's set. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.